Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to sync Google Calendar to Outlook Calendar. And for this, log in to your Google Calendar and then right now go to the calendar that you want to link, click on the three dots and go to Settings and Sharing, click on Integrate Calendar and then make sure that you copy the secret address in iCal format. So we click here on this, then do OK, and now we go to Outlook and then from here we click on Add Calendar. Go to subscribe from web, click here, do Ctrl V, just paste it, give it a name, YouTube Calendar, and then something with a nice color, so let's do green, give it a nice icon, so let's do this one, and then we do import. Then right now, we just imported our YouTube calendar. So this is exactly how you can sync Google Calendar to Outlook Calendar. Hopefully this was a video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.